Yay!
Hi, I'm Peanut. Today, let's find out how to greet in different languages. Let's learn how to say hello in 21 different languages. Part 1. The first one is Namaste. Namaste. This is the way to greet in the Hindi language, which is one of the most widely spoken languages of India. The next one is Annyeonghaseyo. Annyeonghaseyo. This is a way to greet in the Korean language, which is the primary language of the Republic of Korea. The next form of greeting is in the Japanese language, which is the primary language of Japan, and it goes konnichiwa, konnichiwa. The next one is ni hao, ni hao. This is a way to greet in the Mandarin language, which is one of the most common languages of China. The next form of greeting is habari, habari. This is a way to greet in the Swahili language, which is one of the most important languages of Africa. The next one is salam alaikum, salam alaikum, which is a form of greeting in Arabic, and this form of greeting is used in Egypt. The next form of greeting is ciao, ciao. This is a greeting in the Italian language, which is the primary language of Italy. The next form of greeting can be heard in the Philippines. It's kumusta, kumusta, and this is a form of greeting in the Filipino language. The next one is xin chào, xin chào. This is a form of greeting in the Vietnamese language, and it is spoken widely in Vietnam. The next one is Sain Baino, Sain Baino. This is a form of greeting in the Mongolian language and is spoken in Mongolia. The next one is hello, hello. This is a form of greeting in the English language, which can be heard in the United States of America. The next form of greeting is kia ora, kia ora. This is in the Maori language and it is spoken in New Zealand. The next one is yasas, yasas. This is a form of greeting in the Greek language, which is spoken commonly in Greece. The next one is hello, hello. This is a greeting in the English language, spoken in the United Kingdom. The next one is hola, hola. This is in Brazilian Portuguese, spoken primarily in Brazil. The next form of greeting is in Russian. It's privyet, privyet, and this is most commonly spoken in Russia. The next form of greeting is hai, hai, or selamat pagi, selamat pagi, and this is in the Bahasa Malaysia language, widely spoken in Malaysia. The next one is hello or salut, hello or salut. These are in the English and the French languages respectively, and these are the greetings which are used in Canada. The next one is hello, hello. This is a form of greeting in the Indonesian language and is used in Indonesia. The next form of greeting is swadikap or swadika, swadikap or swadika. Depending on your gender, this is the way you would greet in the Thai language, which is primarily spoken in Thailand. And the next form of greeting is sanyu, sanyu, which is a way to greet in the Hausa language, which is spoken in Nigeria. And with that, it also brings us to the end of this lesson. So how do you say hello in your own native tongue? For more fun videos, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. The links for those will be available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.